In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and manage your check register in QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. I recommend using Chrome for the best experience. Navigating through QuickBooks is often smoother and faster in Chrome, which can save you time. Once your browser is up, head straight to the QuickBooks Online website. If you haven't already, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure that your login credentials are handy and secure. It's always good practice to ensure your password is strong and unique to protect your financial data. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main menu. This menu is your primary navigation tool for all things QuickBooks. Once there, look for and click on the Accounting tab. This will take you a step further into managing your financial records. Under the accounting section, you'll see an option for chart of accounts. Go ahead and select that. Here you will locate the various bank and credit card accounts you've linked, each with its transaction history. To view the specific check register for any bank or credit card account, you'll need to find the account you're interested in. Next to each account, there's a link labeled View Register. Click on this link for the account you want to explore further. In doing so, you'll open the check register. This is a handy tool within QuickBooks that displays all transactions related to the selected account, everything from checks and deposits to withdrawals. Should you need to add a new check, look for the Add Check option. If this option is not visible or available, don't worry. You can alternatively click on the plus new button at the top of the screen and choose Check from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to enter new transactions seamlessly. To edit an existing transaction, simply click on the transaction line itself. From here, you can make any necessary changes and then hit Save to update the information. If you find a transaction that needs removing, select that transaction. A drop-down arrow will appear. Click on it, and you'll find the Delete option. Use this very carefully, as deleting transactions can affect the accuracy of your records. Speaking of accuracy, it's important to make use of the filters and search bar located at the top of the register page. These tools can help you pinpoint specific transactions quickly, saving you from scrolling endlessly through the list. Finally, remember to regularly reconcile your check register with your bank statements. This step is crucial to ensure that you have a complete and accurate overview of your finances, helping to spot potential discrepancies or unauthorized transactions promptly. Thank you for watching. Following these steps will make managing your financial records a breeze in QuickBooks Online.